In today's video, we're going to take another look at ochBlog because I want to set it up on my website. And so, why not watch me work? Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch Me Work livestream number 238 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them to Joomla 4, update them to 5. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over. Well, I was actually going to point, but this I don't show up on the screen here, do I? Head on over to mysites.guru. Get that free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. Yeah, I was just looking the other day. I have a team member who manages a lot of the sites through mysites.guru for me, and I don't know how long over this period of time, but he's spent 7 hours on mysites.guru managing sites. I have him check in, log in every day. So just imagine if you had to log into every single site every day, how much time you would have spent. All right, so hello in chat, Bjorn, Mary, Valerie, Derek, Serge, Michael. Good to see you all. I'm a little bit late, and as you can see, to not be even later, I'm just reusing last week's picture, and I guess I'll make myself disappear. A race car that I had a few years ago, and you can tell it's a few years ago because the resolution of that picture, I couldn't really fit it into 1920 by 1080, so that's how it looks. Hey, and by the way, remember last week I had that special music for everyone, the MIDI file that used to be on my site and play automatically? Well, YouTube, someone claimed a copyright on it. And actually it was the people who owned the song. I didn't get a penalty for it, but I just clicked the button and had it removed since it was right at the end. So no more nice music for you guys. We'll go back to the sad music. If you've got something that you'd like to suggest for closing music, anything, if you have a YouTube channel, anything that's in the free music that YouTube provides would probably work. But you know what? It's just closing goodbye music. So what the heck? All right, so let's talk about ochBlog from Ruud van Lent. I have had ochBlog on a client site. That client is no longer my client, but I really like the layout of it, and I would like to have that layout on my site. And it takes a bit to set up, but he's got some really good documentation here, so I thought I would just work away. We can hang out today, and you can have a look at this. I think we looked at it a long time ago, so we'll see what is new. And let me just post the link to it here. It is a paid extension. Ruud's a great guy, and actually has done some custom programming for me. I had a client that wanted something done, not in this, but in something else. And Ruud did that. And he actually, the other day, if Tony's watching, Ruud did some programming for Tony. I referred him. So that is great. Yeah, Ruud's and I like his code is nice, and a little bit different looking at times. Not the coding, but how things are done. But that's all right. That's how it is in our community. So I've already downloaded this. I'm going to put it here on my site, and my goal is to get it not only on the NetShaker site here, so that my blogs have sort of that nice look there, but also I want to have it on the latest on my video pages, just because I think that would look nice as well. All right. So in the back end of the site, I've already downloaded to my computer. We're going to go to System. Let's log in again. System, install extensions, and we're going to go up here, upload package, and you only see me showing the car. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a noob. What a noob, what a noob, what a noob. Let's do that. Full screen in the corner. There we go. Yeah, pizza delivery. That would be fast. You know, Michael, there was a couple of times where people drove their car to the track and then did the, put the sidebar on and did the last couple of things and then raced it out on the track. And I think once they drove it home as well. So they raced something that was street legal. All right. So I want to spiff up these articles here as I was showing before it hadn't changed. Yes, Serge has just mentioned about Pizza Bug and Fun. What day is that, Serge? I wonder if that's today. No, it's not today. Maybe it's this weekend. Anyways, Pizza Bug and Fun. You can help test the latest version of Joomla that's coming out. It's a mondial event, around the world event. All right, here we go. ochBlog package. We'll install that. And there we go. Now, let's go back to his instructions. We've already installed it here. Publish the OCH plugin. Components and options. So let's go to System. Manage extensions. OCH we'll filter for. And it's already published. That's great. You see that, and there's the OCH image field there. Great. I already have his OCH responsive images. I really like it for how it OCH responsive images resizes, creates a size of image for each device, each screen width, and puts in the code so that your page is always showing something that's an appropriate size. All right. Well, we've got that in here. Okay, so let's see. What did it publish? The fields required menu. In the back menu. In the back end, add a menu that will hold your author profiles. Menu type ochBlog author profile. Let's do that. Menu type ochBlog. Let's go a minute. And let's make a new ochBlog type menu here. Let's see here. ochBlog. And what did we need to do here? OCH author profile. There we go. And since I'm putting this, I'm going to put this on the hidden menu. I'm going to go OCH author profile. Let's just call it author profile. Okay. All right. And we have that hidden options. And we'll save and close. The configuration of the author profile page is done via the ochBlog components options. All right, and we saw this publish the fields. OCH image plugin was published. Published OCH plugin that was published. In the component, click on the options button. Configure OCH options and permissions. Let's go find that now. So system. Manage. ochBlog would be the administrator. Oh, maybe we will get to that over on the left hand side here. Yes. Control panel. Now it's going to prompt me for a license key here. Once this opens, hamsters are running around. You know what? I noticed the admin area for the site was running slow last night. So I wonder if something is up. I wonder if something is up. All right, Pizza Bugs and Fun, February 24th. Serge is going to post a link. Something is definitely up with my site here. I wonder what it is. It was when I was trying to bring up a couple of other components. If I go to components and content, that comes up fast. Or does it? Huh. Well, let's just try this. Let's go to system. I'm gonna clean the cache. I wonder how big the cache is on this site here. No, it's not that. No, this is not something I was expecting. Now, one I tried to open yesterday. No, let's just try another one here. Let's open convert forms. Oh, that was fast. Let's open Page Builder CK. That was fast. All right, let's try ochBlog. Control panel. Huh. I don't think that's because of it being Joomla 5. Let's try this. Let's go to this Joomla 5 site that I have here. Oh, where are we here? There we go. There's the password for that. System. Install extensions. Going to go to drag down ochBlog. If we go to components, ochBlog, control panel, and it comes up right away fast. So this is something to do with my site. Well. Huh. Well, there we go. It came up. OCH plugins, options, and here are our settings. All right. Well, I don't know. We're gonna have to look into that. Anyways, at least we see that it's not ochBlog. It has nothing to do with it being Joomla 5. So let's go to the settings here. All component and plugin configuration is done via the ochBlog component. Settings tabs hold the generic settings that will be used throughout the component plugin module. You control which Joomla articles should be displayed as blog with the two settings below: in or exclude categories and categories to Joomla categories. To identify which users are actual bloggers or pro bloggers, you select the groups these users are member of. If you do not want to distinguish between bloggers and pro bloggers, you can configure the same Joomla groups for both options. Great. All right. So let's see here. In or exclude categories. We're going to include categories. Great. I want to include NetShaker. Oh, this is nice. Hello, Stefan. NetShaker and oh yeah, here we go down here. Joomla. Let's go. Let's see. Look at this. There we go. Joomla training cohort. Joomla errors. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh, these are categories. Okay. But yeah, I guess at this point I probably should have just done exclude categories, right? Because there's a bunch of stuff here. Let's try that. Maybe that's more the option. Maybe it's less work to exclude. All right. I don't want services, website, support, our work. NetShaker, I want CyberSalt. Don't want recommend. Teammates, no. Joomla, yes. Oh no, I don't want that. Don't want to exclude that. The rest is all good for now, I think. All right. Imran, you're not too late. Hello, Imran. We're just getting going looking at ochBlog here. I was a little bit late, and then it's been kind of slow to open up here. So, author about text provider, ochBlog, Kunina signature, community builder, or Gravatar. All right, and here's our note. ochBlog uses Joomla custom fields. First, create a custom article field of type URL. The user can add the canonical URL in this field in the front end when creating or editing the blog. In the select box below, your custom article fields will show, and you can select which one. So you can select the correct one. All right. Let's just save this right here where we're at. That was nice and fast. By the way, you notice when the notice went out for today's live stream, I did change the number, but I forgot to change the title. So, all right, we don't have anything showing up there yet, but we're not even close to being set up here. All right. It's neat that you have the option to use information, as we see here, about the and I skipped a whole bunch of things here. Oh, bloggers, select some options. For now, I'm just going to pick super user because that's, oh, you know what? In content and articles, because I have Shabazz adding this. Oh, yes. Shabazz Latif is the one who is showing up as the author of all these articles. I'll need to bulk change that. Probably using DB replacer. All right. So why don't we just Happy New Year, everyone. Let's just go to that article there. Okay, this is going to be where we have the layout here. All right. In the back end here. So we're going to go with super users. Right. Okay. Whoop, I accidentally selected publisher. That's good. Bloggers, pro bloggers. We'll just do super users as well. Author, avatar author. I'm going to go with Kunina. All right. And let's save this. In the front end of the site, let's go to forum. And then I'm going to log in to the front end here. And something definitely is happening with my site here. Okay, we'll come back to that. Kunina, author profile provider. I'm going to do ochBlog. And author about text provider. I'm going to go ochBlog. Okay, ochBlog uses Joomla custom fields. First, create a custom user field of type editor. The user can add the about text in this field in the front end Joomla user profile. All right, front end Joomla user profile. So let's go to Open this up. Now we need to, all right, so that's going to be in users. Users, fields. I'm going to need to make a field group here, right? And let's see, let's check our instructions here. Okay, title. You control which Joomla article code be displayed as a blog with the two settings below: in or exclude categories. Yeah, to identify which users, actual bloggers, create groups. Select the groups to do that. Yeah. Author, provider. Select the provider for the author. ochBlog via custom fields. Yeah. And okay, in the Joomla user manager, new fields group. Add a new fields group called ochBlog. All right, that's what I was looking for. So we'll make a new field group called ochBlog. All right, let's use a capital B there. All right, and for author info on blog pages. All right. And we're going to save and close that. And now we will go here. Edit custom ochBlog. Add a new fields group. Permission set. Edit custom field value to allowed for group author. All right, let's go back here. Allowed. Let's see. Edit custom field value to allowed for group author. Edit custom field value to allowed. Where the heck is that? This is why I watch videos. In the Joomla user manager, add a new fields group. Title blog. Permissions. Set edit custom field value to allowed for group author. If you forget this, then the fields. Okay. Permission. All right. Oh, for author. Okay. Yep. Thank you, Bjorn. So, edit custom field value to allowed. Edit custom field value down here at the bottom to allowed. All right, gotcha. Gotcha. Save and close. All right. Next, in the Joomla user manager, add a new field for the avatar. In the Joomla user manager, add a new field. And so we're going to do that. We're going to go to fields. Go new. Avatar. All right. The field group over here on the right is going to be ochBlog. I can rename that to blog later on. Avatar. Set the field group right to previous step yet. Leave image crop width and height at default 200. Excuse me. Just turn the phone off here. Okay, so type avatar, type OCH image. There we go. The type of form is OCH image. This is for the avatar. Great. And I'm doing set field. Okay. Title avatar. Okay. And I did that. Avatar name label, description. Leave this 200 and 200. Yeah. Leave image crop and height. This selected default image. Use when the user does not provide an avatar. When empty, a smiley is used. Okay, so we can set a default image. Where is that here? Default image. So it's going to use this. Otherwise, we could put in a path for where our where we could change that default image to, or we could set that to something else. All right. Set the okay. Select the image upload path. Where to store the avatars. Interesting. Okay. Image upload path. Where are we going to put that? All right. So these are all folders in my image folder. So we'll just leave that. I think it was that OCH image, wasn't it? We'll just leave that there. Okay. Allowed file types. Okay. JPEG, PNG. That's fine. Okay. Do we want to allow the person to download the cropped image? Why not? Configure whether after uploading an image, the editing of the image should start automatically, or the user has to click the edit button. Instant edit. Let's just do it yes. Oh, let's say no. The person has to do it. Auto save cropped image. All right, let's save. Now back over here. I tried to go to login on one of these pages, right? No, let's just try here. I thought I did. Or is that the one that I had the forum open? Oh, here. Oh, I did. Here I am. I am logged in. Okay. Log in. Oh, where do I have my profile? Let's click here. This is my Kunina profile. I will definitely have to troubleshoot what is going so slow with some parts of the site here. All right. Anyways, I finished this step here. In the Joomla User Manager, add a new field for the about text. Title, author, about, text, editor. All right. Save and close. We can go new. The name will be author, about text. Has to be an editor. We add it to this ochBlog here. And then that's what and okay. Oh, author about text. Yeah. Let's put that in the title. Auto generate from title. Yeah, okay. And we save that. Great. When the author is logged in, he has a new tab in his account settings with the two fields in it. He is now able to upload the avatar and create the about text. All right. And that's, I had selected avatar for Kunina, but that is, man, that's, oh, you don't have permission to access this. Please contact the website administrator. Oh, that's what's taking so long, because we're down here at the bottom. All right. Well, that's not great. So if I go to unread, well, that will be interesting to see what this issue is. In fact, fact, why don't we just do that and see. Let's go into the back end of the site here. I'm going to go System, Global Configuration. Go to System. I'm going to debug. And I'm going to, I don't think there's a problem with error. But see what it's taking so long down here. I wonder if it's this feedback button of mine. Although I can't see that that's what's happening in the back end either. Let's go form and index. Stop that. Form index. We'll get that page loading. Oh, and Imran said permission tab too. Okay, just following along here. When the author is logged in, he has a new tab in his account settings with 2 fields in it. That would also be true in the back end here. So let me just change my site stat here. No, let me just change to that for a second because I don't want to show a bunch of user information here. Manage, and I'm going to go to access. I'm going to go to manage users. Oh man, this is like being super slow here. Sorry about that, everybody. Why is the back end of my site so slow? Well, we're just going to have to wait for something to log and then we can troubleshoot here. Also, just while I'm off screen here, why don't I go and just check the server? Just in, it's not the server though, because let's see here. No, it's not that. I'm just looking at the processes on the server here that I can show you. Let's see. It's not that. I go to MUN. All right. Just check how things are going here. All seems fine. That's that. Just check down here. CPU. This is all yellow is all free CPU, so it's not that. Okay, let's move that down here now. User edit. Is this just spinning, mate? Because the page is loaded. Yeah, Bjorn can't get into the site here. Errors. Something is not. I had this problem last night, like I said, so. Something is definitely deprecated code. The front page. Huh. Interesting. All right, I'm going to yeah, so the deprecated is just a warning. I wonder, I'm going to try switching to list accounts. I'm going to try switching to a different PHP version, see if that takes care of it. PHP MyAdmin, multi-PHP manager. Let's just change this down to PHP 8.1. That will make all these pages come up blank, probably. Okay, that was fast. Let's go to System Information, 8.1, great. Oh, and then look, everything loaded super fast here. So, something about, something's probably not compatible with Joomla, with PHP 8.2, because now if I go to Forum, Recent Topics, oh, all right. Well, all right, so I'm going to have to troubleshoot what is not working well with PHP 8.2 on here. All right. Well, let's us proceed, because now I can go to Profile, and there we go, and I can go to contact info. Oh, I can edit. I can update my profile, and this is where I could put my avatar, which would be pulled from yeah, OCH does not support 8.3. I didn't have 8.3. There's a lot of stuff that doesn't support 8.3 right now, and that's the Wild West. I think developers have just gotten their stuff going off of 8.0, and they're working on things, and I think they're also working on getting things to work natively on Joomla 5 without the translator. So, all right. Well, so I'll have to turn on error reporting and play around later on with PHP 8.2. See what's going on here. All right. So let's resume our regular programming here. In fact, let me just do one more test here. One of the things that was super slow coming up last night was for SEF. Oh yeah, yeah. So all right. So it's PHP 8.2. We'll figure that out. Okay, so here we are. We have, if I go, oh, and that's where it's going to change. Okay, that's where I was going to go to users, manage users. I'm going to filter by select group, yeah, by super users. And that's the only, yeah, so the 4 super users that we have in here. Oh, let me just change this one here. Just one address here. All right, so by filtering for only super users, you're only going to see addresses that can be used anyway. So, all right, so now we'll go back here and go to here. Now, if I go to Tim Davis, I have up here along the top these tabs, ochBlog, and here I can select an avatar. So let's edit this avatar. Oh, look, I can edit that. Okay, cool. I can download. All right, and I can drag and drop your image here, or click to upload. All right, we'll click here, and that's fine. Just an image of me. Pictures. I think we've got Tim here. And will we go with super young Tim, or will we go just with sort of, this is kind of cheating because this is years ago too. So anyways, that's that. Great. And the author text, Tim Davis. All right. Tim Davis is, sorry for the delays about things being sold there. Tim Davis is the founder and owner of CyberSalt. All right, and I can edit this and do different things if I want, but then we go save and close. All right, great. And I could change that to author info or something like that, or blog info. All right, so let's see what's happening here. Okay, nothing yet. Nothing yet on that article. All right, so when the author is logged in, he has a new tab in his account settings with 2 fields in it. Now he is able to upload the avatar and create the about text. In blog settings, you can select ochBlog as avatar provider and select the drop-down box. In the drop-down box, the field for the avatar title. All right. So let's go to components, ochBlog. Control panel, and go to options, and now settings, author provider ochBlog, och avatar users field right here, I name that, author profile provider ochBlog, and now we select the field, which is, can you imagine me trying to figure this out without documentation? Oh my goodness. And that is the OCH, the author, yeah. The user field, author about text, canonical provider. Okay, ochBlog uses custom fields. First, create a custom article field of the type URL. The user can add the canonical URL in the front end when creating or editing the blog. In the select box below, your custom article fields will show and you can select the correct one. So, custom article field. All right, let's just see something here. All right, still waiting for that to show up. Something down there. Did I get away from that page there? Save setting first. I thought that I had saved it, but we'll try that again. We don't need that open. Okay. We're excluding these categories, yeah. User blogger. Canonical provider. Use ochBlog uses Joomla custom fields. First, create a custom article field of the type URL. The user can add the canonical URL in this field in the front end when creating or editing the blog. Okay, that I'm not quite sure about. So let's read up here. So this is for posting an absolute URL to your to your author page. I don't understand that one. Let's see. Oh, this. Is this canonical URL for your article? I don't think it would be that, would it? Select whether to enable or disable a shared by info box of articles. Oh, okay, yes. This OCH Socials will set that up in a bit. Okay, article view info. Okay. Article info is positioned at the top of the blog, handled via plugin. Enable article. Configure whether to display the article info above the article or not. Enable avatar. Yes. 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 All right. Maybe that. I'm impatient. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. So there's my avatar. There's written by Tim Davis. Some date information there. Yeah. And parent category hits 41. All right. And now if we want this at the end. Oh, no, that's just. Okay, that's just. All right. Yes, and here we can put. Do we want to put article badges? 1 badge per line. So 0. Yeah, let's do that. 0. Let's do this. Copy. Watch. We're gonna go Control V. How many views does that have? 41. Let's say, let's have some fun here. Let's go 40 more than 40, and then comma, and then we have to put some CSS for a label. Let's just go with, we'll do the label info. LABEL dash info. All right, if we save that and refresh. And then we got this tag here, more than 40, and that is just information. So if we go back here to change that to danger, this is maybe why I don't get a lot of things. That should change to red probably. Oh, let's see. Maybe on this template. Danger is not red. Span class label danger. Let's go plus background color red. Aha, there you go. So I just don't have any CSS for that span class. I wonder that must, I bet you that's a Bootstrap class. I think maybe in Template Creator CK, maybe I'm not loading Bootstrap with this. Level danger. What did I type? Did I type something wrong? Oh, level danger. Label danger. Duh. Thank you. Thank you, Imran. Label danger. There we go. So I was right. There is no... oh, sorry for all that clicking. Yeah, and I think I do have Serge, I do have Bootstrap loading from Template Creator CK. I was just surprised why that didn't show up. There's a cool feature. Based on the hits, you can set up these labels for things here. Nice. Now, why is parent category, root category, net shaker showing written by Tim Davis? It must just be in that article, right? It must be what I have set up in the menu. All right. So let's take out that silly 40. Warning. Okay, average speed, words per minute. Let's talk inline help here. Oh, the blog's reading time set to 0 to disable. Okay, let's see. What's the average words per minute someone can read? Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, logging in. Continue. Get my stuff back here. What is the average? What was I going to ask here? What's the average words per minute someone can read on screen? ChatGPT says it is 200 to 300 words per minute. Reader's age, proficiency in languages. So let's just say 250. Words per minute. Let's go 250. Yeah. Class for the reading time. Label secondary. Okay. Show tags for each article. Oh, look. Here we go. Man. All right. So we're going to show tags. We're going to go created date. Yes. Modified. No. Do we want to see hits? Yeah. Let's leave them there for now. Hits. Class for label. Hits label. Info. Show hits minimum. Oh, nice. Select minimum hits that the article needs before hits label is shown. So let's make this 50. Disable template article info. Most templates have built-in article info support that you can configure on a per article category menu basis. Setting this option to no will force the article options for show category, parent category, creation date, modified date, to no. All right, that's cool. All right, let's see. Let's close this. Get rid of some of these unnecessary things I had from testing. Let's refresh. Oh, look at that. Reading time, 42 seconds. I like that. And notice hits is not showing up because it is it's showing as new. Reading time, but hits are not showing because it's under 50. Nice. I should be getting close to that showing up. Parent category, root category, net shaker. All right, so I'm enjoying this. Yeah, this is good. Social sharing custom tag. Nice. Okay, so let's toggle the inline help. Editor social sharing custom tag, i.e. tag, J socials. Now, if you want to share something, you can set up J socials, and I'm going to put that in there. I do have J socials to download and install, download it to install, but all right. So we've got a bunch of things here. Hits. Let's go back to 0 for that minimum number of hits. Okay, and there it is. Minimum hits 46. Now, we did see there's a way to configure this to go down below. Article info is positioned at top of the blog article, handled via the plugin. All right, so let's go open a new tab. Manage extensions. OCH. Blog. Oh, system. I'm going to go to plugins. OCH. Which plugin? Article info is positioned at top of the blog article, handled via the plugin. Oh, maybe that's in this tab here. Article credits. Oh, interesting. Okay. Author info. Oh. Author info is positioned at the bottom of the blog article, handled via plugin. There's your avatar size, display, button, call to action, social sharing custom tag, which we can also put in JSocials as well. All right, pro blogger badge. Okay, so this is where if someone please add the following format: 1 badge per line, number of published articles, badge name, CSS class. Okay. Okay. Boy, a lot of things in here. Okay, so that, if I save that and refresh, now we can expect as we get down. There we go, written by Tim Davis. Tim Davis is the founder and owner of Cybersalt. Okay, it's all coming together here. I need to obviously do some spacing and padding and formatting, some CSS here, but that's okay. And is this, no, cybersalt.Tim Davis. If I click on that, and there's my author page. Interesting. Yeah, see, this is such a nice system. Fiddly to set up, right? Because I'm reading here, but if I did this enough times, I would start to figure out how it all works, right? That's why I'm taking another look at it. Okay, so let's see. Read more button class. Lots of things that we can get into here. Okay. Now, featured view article. All right. Let's toggle. I really like that Rude has toggle inline help here, all filled out. Configure whether to display the article info above the article or not. So if I say no, article info is positioned at the top of the blog. All right, well, let's just see what changes here. Yes. Oh, this is for featured views. Oh, yeah. This is for articles that are featured. Would they show up on the home? Okay, so we don't want that. Category view article. Article info is positioned at the top of the blog view. Oh, all right. So if I say yes and go save and go back to NetShaker, which is a category view. I think this is a you know what? This is not a category view because this is me using Raxo module to display this. All right. Okay. Alrighty. But if you were using the category view in Joomla and had sort of your blog view set up, then it would show whether or not the you would be deciding whether or not article information should go before or after, or should go before, right? Okay. Article info is positioned at the top of the blog. Is this where we? I would like to know where to change that. All right. Notifications. Oh, okay. Oh, look at this. All right. So if you have put an article on there, you can get a notification at 100 saying by email, your blog just got 100 views. Nice. Okay, that's pretty cool. Which you can see if people are adding content to your page that they would really, they would enjoy seeing when views reach a certain thing. I would like to get emails telling me when things are getting there. Configure the maximum article age and days. If the article is older than the configured number of days, no notification will be sent. Oh, okay. So if the article is more than 365 days old, you don't get notifications of all these cool things that are happening. All right. Here's the message body that you sent. That's very cool. Author's overview. Global settings for author's overview page. Now this is for showing all the authors. All right. Global settings for author profile page. The author profile page has 2 template positions for adding modules. Author profile bottom, author profile 2. I think that shows, I think there's a way to show multiple authors. Okay. Global settings for the blog management page, blog management view via menu component. Okay. So let's check this out. Let's go to menus. We'll go to hidden. We already have author profile. Let's make a new one here. Let's try these other types here. Let's go select ochBlog author's overview. Let's call this authors. All right, overview. Let's see. Yeah, so author's overview. I'm going to go save. And now I can take this link here and we can post it up to here and see what comes up. There's an overview of people who have articles on the page. And there's Mary, because Mary's done work on this site for me, and Shabazz Latif. And if we click on Shabazz, he doesn't have anything there, but that's all right. Okay, and Tim Davis, and of course, now this is wonky because there's not an SEF URL showing up here. It might be because a template's not assigned to this. Interesting. So something to look into there. Let's try this menu here. Let's close. That's authors. Let's go new. And go OCH. And the other one that we've not done is blog management. All right. Now I have better preview installed in here from Regular Labs. So if I go up to here, I will get a SEF URL here. Look at that. There's a whole list of all the blogs that are on here. And is this because I'm logged in that I see this? Okay. Oh, when I mouse over this, it goes to task equals article edit, Oh, so if I click on this, it's actually going to go into there. Oh, and I can manage this in the front. Oh, and look at that. Our Cloudflare CAPTCHA worked there nice too. Aha. So that's great. So if you gave people access to manage their blogs, then they could actually go in and see and do some editing. Yeah, and this is nice. That's something that Rude worked on. Oh no, that was something that Alexandra Elise worked on for me. Front end article editing. But that's nice. And then we have where you can add tags, and great. That means then if I go over here to, if we go to NetShaker, and I go to this here, we should get Shabazz Latif at the top here, right? And there's the reading time for this. There's also a video you can look at. And there is things at the bottom set up nice. Okay. Yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. And new I would probably do as green, but reading time. Of course, that's just a little bit of reading. Okay. Hey, so if we go back to this menu item here, right, close. If I go back to the authors and then go up to better preview and click on there. And that's formatted because now we're going through the search engine friendly system on the site here. All right. Okay. Yeah. See that's good. I like this. Choose a layout. Bootstrap default UI kit. Okay. Hey, let's just try that. Let's go to Bootstrap 5. See what happens here. NetShaker. Happy New Year, everyone. Bootstrap 5, our colors changed a little bit. And, okay. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And so this information that we have here of avatar and also of author info, that can be pulled from other things like Kunina or that. The other options that were there. Let's just use the default though. Save. Refresh. We get that more of a square look there. Okay, we can leave that for now. Well, let's go ahead now and go close here. And I'm going to install OCHJ Socials system. And we might as well play around with that too, because it works with ochBlog really nice. I don't have my download there anymore. So let's go to Joomla 4.5. Let's go to OCH and OCH Socials. Then we go open. Okay, growing. Yeah, slow sites due to remote called upon scripts necessary for displaying buttons necessary thing of the past. This plugin integrates JS social script only 10K large on every position in your website where you place the tag JSocials. Yes. Don't forget to enable and configure this plugin. All right. So to do that, we're going to go to System. And now we're, okay, so now we're into here. Extensions, Joomla extensions, OCHJ Socials. And we're doing that. And I'm going to paste the URL down here. All right, so let's go here. Manage extensions. No. OCH. Okay, so we'll publish that. But really what I need to do is go into plugins, OCH socials, and we'll do some more configuring here. Description. Yeah, OCH social. Pop-up window, responsive buttons. Yeah, everything's here. Now, this is cool because we have the setup here to show all these things here. So TFGLPW, this is Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn. There'll be a bunch of things in here. All down here if we want to show them. LinkedIn. So if I go here, enable on the LinkedIn. Let's put it on it. Okay, so let's just quickly go wild and woolly. Facebook. Oh, now we got to. Oh, we have to set up a developers thing. Okay, auto buttons. If you want to automatically insert the JS social sharing buttons in your articles, yes. And you know what I need to do. Is this now? If we refresh. That did not show up, but I want to go back to here. Components, ochBlog, control panel, and I'm going to go to options, and now we're looking for author profile, social sharing custom tag. Yeah, so for instance, JS socials. Copy that. I'm going to paste JS socials there. Yeah. And author's overview. I think there's a place that we could put that as well, right? Where were those showing up? Blog management? No. Choose a layout? No. Okay, enter custom sharing for the for category view, featured view, author info. Yeah, let's put that here as well. All right, now let's go save. Let's go to our NetShaker. And there's our buttons there. So it can post to Twitter, share it to Facebook, share it to LinkedIn. Oh, and that opened up a LinkedIn button, share button over on the left-hand side here. And if I go click share as post, I can create a post. Nice. Also, oh, line it. Oh, I thought that was LinkedIn. What's line it? Oh. Line.me. Let's see. LIN.me. Life Online. Oh, that's why you could have it only for. Oh, so it's a messenger app. Oh, another one. Okay, well that's good to know. So I don't want that on there. But let's refresh that. Imran, have a great day. I'll catch up when it's tomorrow. But this is, I'll tell you, one of the things I find very hard and frustrating is to get social media buttons put onto a website in a way that is not like crazy. Now I think that it's just hard to do, and look how easy that was. Now, if I click share, it opens up a little box in the corner here where I can share right to my Facebook, to my feed, or to my stories, working as you would expect it to. In fact, let me just go here and see if I add a source. So let's see here. Properties. All right, and you'll see up in the corner, there is the button that opens up. Post to Facebook, and I can say something and I can just share it there. You know, I'm not 100% convinced that a lot of people are still sharing, but this is not that bad to have just some things there. Email, that is prompting me, as you can see, to open up Chrome, to do that in that, yeah. So if we go back to, so let's see, we've got author profile. Global settings for the author profile page. Oh, look at this. We go here. That's where that shows up. That's nice. That's set up very easily. Now, I think that there are settings back here for, I'm going to close this. There's settings back here. If I go to System, Extensions, and Manage. No. System, Plugins, OCH Socials. If I want the number of likes that it has received, an article has received, I have to set up some of this code here. And let's just toggle this here. Yeah, so if I create a Facebook app, I can show how many times it's being shared. I can, here, type the text that will be used as a quote on Facebook, leave empty to disable. Okay. Devices that we can enable things on. So, but you know what? I don't really care to show how many times something is shared. One, because probably my article is not shared that much. Two, that's an extra call to Facebook and affects the page load time. So I don't want to do that. Here, let's turn the line button off. But we could actually, I wonder, do they have WhatsApp on here? Mastodon. If you share it to, Facebook Messenger button. All right. Cool. Viber. That's mobile texting. Telegram. All right. So, and that's just on mobile devices. So that's pretty good. Post via type the text that will be added to your post via X's via functionality. Okay, so yeah, Root set up a lot of nice things here. Post X call to action text. So if I put must read in here, that's what happens when it gets shared on Joomla. So post hashtag. Oh, that's good. Watch. Let's go to Joomla for that. Let's go here. We'll refresh. And let's go post to X. And oh, and that's the author profile. Let's do this here. Let's refresh here. And now I'm going to post to X, and I can go to properties here and show you that there. And that video shows, so that's a Happy New Year, everyone. There's the link to the page, and it's got hashtag Joomla. Oh, and look at that. I didn't need to put another hashtag in there for Joomla. All right. So in here, you just put your hashtags. Let's see here. If more than one, enter a comma. Happy New Year. Although you wouldn't do that generally. Let's do this. Cybersalt. Save. All right. So that's okay. I have to put that in later. Okay, and I go post. Okay, and then I need to go properties. And I believe, no, that's, here, let me just close these. Let me just close these Twitter windows because I have a hard time finding out what to select. So I click post. I go into here. I go properties. Compose new post. Okay, yeah. And now notice, Happy New Year, everyone. There's the picture. But look at, I've got hashtag Joomla, hashtag Cybersalt. And those hashtags would be on everything that gets shared on my page, which is really cool. All right. I'm excited about that. Now, we have this little situation here where all these videos are in Shabaz's name. So let's just fix that up something right now, and then I'll have Shabaz, when he adds new articles, to put these under my name. Now, also, I might not want this stuff at the top, but maybe I do. All right, so now here it's here it's showing the tags, Maintenance Monday, and also has Maintenance Monday. I think I remember where to go for that. If I go to Components, ochBlog, Control Panel, Options, Article View, Enable, Disable Template Article Info. Yeah, let's turn that off. And I think what will happen is that this will disappear here, that Maintenance Monday. Oh, and it does. And now it's just using, now it is just using the stuff from the blog here. All right, okay, and then I can go here. Because what's being shown here, let's close that. Written by Shabaz, created, parent category, Maintenance Monday. All right. Oh, there. Oh, parent category. Hide. Category. A link. Oh, yeah. So this is really nice. I just need to get even more familiar with this. There you go. Written by Shabaz Latif, created the date. Maintenance Monday. Now, let's put everything into, let's change this over to me. close. Let's go to components, DB replacer. And here's something what I need to do. I need to go to users, manage. Now, Shabaz's username, or his profile is 458, and mine is 408. So what I need to do is go in DB replacer, and I need to look. Now this is the pro version, so it automatically went to content. I need to go to created by. Let's go created by. Whoops, 458. I want to find anywhere that 458 is the ID for created by. And here they all are. More than 100 rows. All right. So I'm going to, 458. Let's go to options. Maximum row count. I'm going to go to 500. All right. And I'm going to go save and close. So we're going to search created by. I'm going to go ID, Mr. 458, and search. Now be careful, because if Shabazz has some of his own articles on here, I would be wiping him out. I don't think he does though. 458, and I'm going to replace with 408. Anything that says created by 458, switch to 408. We go search, and now I can make this change everywhere. It's going to take place in at least 500 rows. Oh, maximum number, 500 rows. All right, let's replace. Yes. I'm really sure. Anywhere else left? Oh, and then there's 20 more rows. Then I do a search again. So I replace. And what that does is, if we go up to NetShaker. Oh, we view a video here. Now I'm the author of that. And that information is down at the bottom as well. I think I could put sharing information at the top, but really, why not just have it at the bottom? Excellent. And of course, we can use that JSocials tag in a side module or somewhere at the top for adding social media buttons. All right. Well, that makes me happy. Now I can do some more adjusting here for CSS. And work on my author information. Look, I can click on here. There's my author information. I can share it if I want, or email, set up those buttons. I like that. All right, yeah, so a bit of setup, but a very attractive layout. I could probably put this on my CyberSalt page too. That, and set up some author things there. That would be cool too. I just like the look. It is really nice. And the client that found it really liked it, asked for me to set it up on their site. And a lot of I like that. It's a quick way too to add some really nice formatting. Now, support services, support request form. There will be no author information on here because we excluded that category. If I go to NetShaker and go to this announcement here, there's my information. There's the tags. I can do some design things. There's how to share it at the bottom. And then also I can Here's some comments that are done here. And I think this goes to... if I go read more on this comment, that goes to Kunina. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's come together. Well, I could do some of this formatting stuff right now, but I did not have any breakfast. I only had 3 oranges today, so I think I'm going to wrap that up. And they were tiny oranges, by the way. I don't want to think like I'm like a fruit bat or something like that, but where are we? There we go. Yeah, so ochBlog, I like it. And OCH Socials. Wow, what a nice way just to add sharing buttons. I like Rude stuff. I like working on using things that work together, and that's pretty good. So I think this, now that I'm more familiar with it, I think I would probably use it on more people's sites as well, just to give them that really nice blog appearance. I think it's really nice and really fresh. Well, everybody, anything else that we should cover or share or talk about today before I wrap things up? I think that that's it. Yeah, thanks, Bjorn. All right, well, that's going to let me... Okay, thanks, Mary. Yeah, we figured out. And it was, man, look, the documentation is there. You just have to read it and figure it out and kind of pick up. You know, like you do with any, all these extensions, there's like a subculture that is based on the developer's life and mind and how they do things. So you kind of get into their head and then you figure it out. Yeah, reading, yeah, it's not my, I think I could probably do some nice setup tutorials for this as well, because I do like using it. That would be a great way to learn it. You're welcome, Stefan. Yeah, so everybody, thanks for tuning in today. Let's see, it's fine where the sad music is. Yeah, thanks for your support of the channel. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Yes, the license allows for multiple sites, Derek. I know that for a fact. Rude was recently mentioning in Facebook that he noticed that there's a whole bunch of installs of his site or downloads coming from an IP in Iran, and so someone had shared his software on the on one of the Whereas sites, or one of the sites that's giving away paid Joomla stuff, and maybe probably hacking it too, or putting like that. So, but no, you can use it on multiple things. Yeah, everybody, thanks for hanging out with me again today, spending time with me. I appreciate that. And so, as usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, be it morning, afternoon, evening, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.